Lightning lane on the left here with the scanner.
Oh, just one? Okay, thank you.
We go to the Toy Story Mania again. We're going with food.
Yeah, that's probably when you tell her to take
The Texan Emergency Broadcast System. Sensational shocking or a scary walk in the dark. Monstropolis is something for everyone. Our city may be monstrously large, but our local business owners take pride in providing you with small-town friendliness and small-town service. If there's anything we can do for you while you're here, be sure to give us a holler. Welcome to the Monstropolis Transit Authority Terminal, the hub for transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Regularly scheduled trains and buses depart hourly. For more immediate transportation, Monstropolis City Cab Service is available at any time. Please proceed to the taxi boarding area located just ahead. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Today, the process has been refined. Matching each human driver to the right inside the taxi. And be sure to stay by a beautiful bus. Thank
Durante el paseo por Monstropolis, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y tentáculos dentro del taxi.
Oh, okay.
Y vigilen a sus pequeños monstruos. Que disfruten de su viaje.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Sulley-Blue-Fur!
Oh, googly bear!
My thoughts were not my own. It hit me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
Come on, this way! Situation is 990, secure the area.
you to the scare floor.
You'll never find her door now.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
We're almost there.
2319!
Oh dear.
Terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Terrifying day of my life.
Number 142 humans decontaminated. Thorough observation quickly rendered the situation status to 9900. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down.
You guys on the third
After
row.
thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 9900. We can neither confirm nor
you
deny the
humans all
presence of a
look
human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported
Hello, humans. Do you have your paperwork? I knew I could count on you. Hey, young man in the third row. I'm ready for my close-up. Cheese. Hello, humans. You're a fine looking group.